today's video is gonna be about comparing life cycle of silkworm and honeybee. Classification of silkworm: Kingdom Animalia, Subkingdom Invertebrata, Phylum Arthropoda, Class Insecta, Type Silkworm. Habit and habitat. Silkworm is a very useful insect which produces silk thread to make silk clothes. Silk thread is obtained by the larvae of silkworm. The larva has special silk glands which produces special protein known as fibroin. This protein, fibroin, is responsible for cocoon formation and finally obtained in the form of silk thread. Classification of honeybee: Kingdom Animalia, Subkingdom Invertebrata, Class Insecta, Phylum Arthropoda, Type Honeybee. This is the life cycle of silkworm. This is the life cycle of honeybee. After fertilization, each female lays about 300 eggs in clusters. The female covers the eggs with gelatinous substance which helps to stick the eggs on the leaves. After laying eggs, the female do not take any food and dies within 4 to 5 days. However, in next stage of honeybee, after mating, queen lays about 300 eggs per day, and the eggs are of two types: fertilized eggs which develop into female workers or new queen, or unfertilized eggs which develops into drone. Now comes larva stage. Larva stage in silkworm. The silkworm that hatches from an egg is also known as caterpillar. It is small, 6 mm long, and gray or creamy color. Body is divided into head, thorax, and abdomen. This stage is also known as voracious feeding stage. It grows quickly in larva stage and develops salivary glands to secrete sticky substances. This secretion of sticky substances from long solid thread is contract with air which wrapped around to form protective covering known as cocoon. Larva stage in honeybee. The larvae of honeybee are voracious feeders. They feed on special food which is known as royal jelly and bee bread. The larva which eats royal jelly develop into queen. The larva which feeds bee bread develop into drones and workers. Larva stage ends in 5.5 days for queen, 6 days for workers, and 6.5 days for drones. Pupa stage in silkworm. This is the third stage in life cycle of silkworm. In this stage, pupa do not take any food, do not move at all, so it is also known as resting stage. The growth takes place inside cocoon. This stage lasts for about 12 to 14 days. Pupa stage in honeybee. In this stage, after fifth moulting, all the body parts like head, wings are developed and adult phase is ready. Pupa stage for queen is 7 days, 12 days for workers, and 4 to 5 days for drones. Now comes the last stage, adult stage. Adult stage in silkworm. The pupa undergoes active metamorphosis with the cocoon. The theorem developed the two pairs of wings. A young silkworm is formed, secretes an alkaline fluid to moisture the cocoon and escaped out from the inner part. Life cycle continues. Adult stage in honeybee. All the adults are developed in this stage. The queen complete in 16 days, worker in 21 days, and drones in 18 days. As soon as the new queen comes out from the hive, then the old queen leaves the hive with some workers. This is also known as primary swarming.